All right, class, we're now in lesson 6 and page 112. The step-by-step is titled Insert a Chart. Okay. Step number 1, open the revenues presentation from the data files for this lesson. So I open the revenues file from the folder 06. Okay. Step number 2, save the presentation as revenues solution. So file, save as, back in my 6 folder. So you want to go back in here and student data files 06 and call it revenues solution. All right. Step number 3, click slide 3. Click slide 3. Click the insert chart icon at the top center of the content placeholder. So this is the content placeholder. And there are 6 icons. So we want to click on the insert chart icon. Okay. The insert chart dialog box opens, right? This is the insert chart dialog box. Okay, step number 4, click the 3D clustered columns chart subtype. So we're already in column type and we want the 3D clustered column, okay? So if you put your mouse, hover your mouse over each one of those subtypes, it will tell you the name of it, okay? Here is the 3D clustered column. Click OK. And now we have the 3D clustered column chart as well as the corresponding spreadsheet. Okay. The area that is within this shaded area is the range, and whatever is included in the range is what shows up in the chart. So if you were to write text outside of the range, it will not show up in the chart, okay? And also note the handles, okay? These little dots over here on the edges are called handles. And when you want to drag something in, you just push the handle in and you can pull the handle out, okay? So whatever is within the range is what shows up in the chart. Remember that. Okay, step number 6 is on page 113. Drag the marker in the bottom right corner of the range border so the range includes only cells A1 to C5. Now this is A1 and this is C5. So they would like us to drag these in so the range includes only A1 through C5, okay? So we are not including this range. And if you noticed, when I pulled the handles in, it removed the other series, the series 3, okay? All right, next, step number 7, select column D, right click, and then select delete. All right, that deleted that. Click cell B1, and type 2017. All right, click cell, then press tab and move to the cell C1 and type 2018. All right, and then press enter. All right, so when we start changing the data, the changes start getting reflected in the chart at that very minute, okay? So it's real-time changes that are happening at this point. So now we move on to step number 9. Beginning in cell A2, type the following data in the worksheet window to complete the chart. So let's start typing as we see in our book: spring, summer, fall, and winter. All right. And under here, we're going to start typing $89, 000 and $102 2, comma, 000. So you want to make sure you're typing it exactly the way that you see it on page 113. Okay, you want to make sure that you have the dollar signs. You want to make sure you have the comma and the right number of zeros. Okay. All right. Fall is 102,000 and $108. Oh, sorry, 118, comma 000. Winter is $233, comma 000, and $267,000. All right. So we have now updated the information here, and it's all reflected in the chart, and we can go ahead and close the spreadsheet. All right. So the chart appears with the data you entered. And if you look at figure 6-4, it looks exactly like your presentation. Okay. Step number 11, save the presentation. All right. And leave it open to use in the next exercise. All right. Page 114. Import an Excel chart. Get ready, use the revenue solution. So we're using the same presentation with slide 3 selected. Okay. Click new slide on the home tab. Click new slide. And we have a new slide, slide number 4. All right. Launch Microsoft Excel and then open the beverages workbook from the data files. So launch Excel. So you want to go to Excel and then open the beverages workbook. So file, open, and browse. So go back to your desktop, go to your CE 101 folder, to your PPT folder, to your 06 folder. In my case, my folder is right here. Open the beverages. Okay, so that's open. It says select the chart and press Control C to copy it to the clipboard. So this is the chart. It's a pie chart. And we're going to press Control and C on our keyboard, which means to copy, or we could go here and copy. Let's just switch to our PowerPoint. All right. And then press Control V to paste the chart into the placeholder. Okay. Now you want to make sure that this is selected. Okay. It's when you double click on that around the perimeter, you want to always click on the border. You get a solid line, which means that your content placeholder is selected. And now you're going to do Control and V. Okay. And you have pasted the chart that you copied from Excel. And click in the slide title placeholder box and type beverage sales. So over here, we're going to type in beverage sales. Step number 6, click the text beverage sales inside the chart so handles display around it. Right here. Okay. Press delete. So we don't want this. We're going to go ahead and click delete, and that deleted the chart title. Okay, we still have the slide title, but we wanted to delete the chart title. All right. Step number 7, switch to Excel and close it. In PowerPoint, save the presentation. All right, so we've saved it. Now we're going to move on to page 115. Resize and move a chart. Get ready and use the same presentation. Click slide 3. All right, and we're going to continue this in the next recording.